Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
It's not going to be heavy rain, but still some scattered showers on the way for tonight. That continues into tomorrow. We'll have lots of breaks in between. Two separate features today, a little disturbance diving from northeast to southwest. That'll be done tonight. And then tomorrow, it's just a sea breeze getting going with the heating of the day with a few little pop-up showers. I'll show you that on Next Weather Rain Tracker. And yeah, the cold front is still coming for the weekend, so we'll get ready for that. After the showers, front moves through quietly on Saturday because it's so dry in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. This is not going to generate much in the way of not even cloud cover. It's just going to be a wind shift, and the wind will bring and pull in the cool air. But that's Sunday morning. I think Saturday morning we're still going to be comfortable. Not that it won't be on Sunday, but you know, some of us with upper 50s, that's chilly stuff. Sweater weather certainly for Sunday morning. We can say that in April we're in good shape. There are the showers tomorrow morning for the Keys, and then you'll see kind of a nice break. Plenty of sunshine throughout the day, but then late in the afternoon, could get a couple little showers going. I think even less coverage than today. Today's feature was a little bit more organized here, but now we're looking at just a bit of a sea breeze collision there. As we check in on the humidity tracker, coming from slightly humid to all the way down into levels that we typically see in the winter months here. And that's going to stick for next week. So we're going to have a nice stretch of dry weather. Temperatures are going to stay the same as far as highs. 83 is our normal high. That's about what will be each day, but we won't be normal is at night with such dry air. The temperatures plummet, and so we'll be looking at low 60s by Saturday morning, low to mid 60s, and then upper 50s to low 60s. That's our coolest morning coming up on Sunday, and then slowly but surely next week we'll start climbing again as far as the attempts. You can see these numbers. This is for Sunday morning, not tonight. Upper 50s, lower 60s. We have a nice breeze in the morning with the low humidity. It is going to feel like a different season out there. On the beach tomorrow, looking good. Rip current on the low side finally for the Arist. That's been high throughout the last few days. We still have the small craft advisory for the Atlantic waters, and Florida Keys looking good with no alerts and good conditions there. Temperatures tonight, upper 60s across Broward to Miami-Dade, and then for the Keys, we'll be looking at temps in the 70s. Highs for everybody in the 80s. Look at all these suns here. We're looking at no rain chances after tomorrow's 20 to 30%, and the cool weather that's coming for the weekend.